So this is the ultimate dinghy cargo carrier. I just bought the standard 500 pound hitch by Pro Series. And you can see it's just a 2-inch receiver it plugs into. And then I made a little L bracket, welded it up, and it slides right into the hitch carrier. And they already even have a bolt underneath there, and it just goes right through there. That keeps it in place. These are 1/2-inch bolts, 4 inches long, and this is a 2x10. And all you do is roll it right up, and I will demonstrate that. Okay, so all you do is roll it right next to it. Slide right on. Easy peasy. And here's back on the carrier. Loosen this bolt. And you can see my simple design here. All made with 2x10s.
I had a baby today.
That's it. That's my design.